This world wants you to be distracted. The society wants your child to be distracted. If your child is not distracted, who will consume all these amazing goods in the supermarket, on TV, on social media? If every child is extremely focused and is not constantly scrolling, how will goods in the market get sold? How will Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat succeed? All these social media applications are designed in a way so that your children don't focus. That is what the world wants. Hi everyone, welcome back to Parenting Teenagers with Siddhika. I'm an Inner Compass mentor, a strengths-focused psychologist, and a parenting teenagers coach. I basically help parents bring out the best in their 7 to 18-year-old child by connecting with them more and really building a very powerful personality that is going to help them lifelong. Now let's get back to today's topic, which is a very important topic: how to make my child focus more. Right? You will see that the world is trying to distract your child. Video games, social media, new inventions, new applications. Every day there is something new that is connecting you more to the outside world. But what is it doing? It's disconnecting you from your inside world. That is why you need to work on your child's focus. And how can you do that? Watch this video and you'll find out. In this video, I'm going to help you increase your child's focus, and this is the best kept secret that nobody wants you to know. Because if you know this secret, then how will social media work? Don't let anybody fool you. You yourself can build your child's focus. This is just a 6-minute practice that you can do with your child first thing in the morning or last thing at night. Find a quiet place. You can either sit up or you can lie down with your eyes closed. Remove spectacles if you're wearing any. Let all the noises outside of you fade out and train your mind to just think on one spot. Train your mind to just listen to my voice with 100% mindful attention. Start by noticing how your body feels right now. If you're feeling tense anywhere, don't worry, just ease it out. If your shoulders are feeling tense, just relax your shoulders. If your hands are feeling uptight, relax them. If your knees, your legs, your neck, your chin, if you're feeling uptight anywhere, just calmly put it down. Let your whole body relax and go into a very deep meditative state. Imagine you're sitting in a plain room, a room with 4 walls, and there's nothing on the walls. You're just sitting there. There's nothing to distract you here. No noise, no objects, no colors, no paintings, nothing at all. Picture yourself working on something very important. It could be a school project, an exam, any goal that you have. As you picture yourself on a desk with your back upright, writing down things and making notes, you are 100% consumed in your task and what you're doing. You have the ability to do that. Our brain has been given the power to focus 100% on whatever we do. Notice how focused you feel as you are taking down the notes. Every task is manageable. Every thought is clear. You're only focused on what you are writing. See yourself calmly making progress. You're finishing up the task. You're almost there, and you're doing it with 100% calm, peace, and focus. Visualize the steps that you are doing to complete the task, and with each page, the task only becomes easier. Every day, it's becoming easier and easier. With each breath that you take, your focus is growing stronger and stronger and stronger. Take one more deep breath in and tell yourself, whenever I need to increase my focus, I can come back to this and I can feel focused again. You can do this focus building exercise just before you sit to study just before you sit to do anything important, you tell yourself, I already am a focused human being. As you tell yourself this, I can focus whenever I want. Imagine your focus increasing. As you feel a lot more clear with what you want and with what you need to do, slowly open your eyes, feeling a lot more in control of your thoughts, of your emotions, and of your actions. Make sure you tell yourself one more time, I am born with focus. I know what I need to do to succeed. I know what I need to feel to succeed. I know what I need to think to succeed. This is a great exercise to do every time you feel like you're losing focus or you need to do something important. Just play this video, get your mind, tune your mind, train your mind to focus and start doing what you need to do. Make sure you watch this video, save this video. Every time you need to focus on an exam, on a homework, on studying, on preparation, on an interview, just play this. Find your focus. Visualize what is it that you want. Visualize the end result and your focus will become more powerful. So for example, when you're studying, visualize why are you studying? What is the target for which you are studying? And when you visualize that, your focus will increase. This is a superb video for parents, for children to truly increase their focus. And I would recommend do this for 21 days till focus comes naturally. And you know what? Once focus comes naturally, nothing will be able to disturb you. When you tell your brain, I want to focus, your brain will get the signal with what you have done in the 21 days of exercise, of practice. And the 22nd day, focus will come naturally to you, right? So if you want your child to just naturally be more focused, naturally have higher concentration power, then just play this exercise for 21 days consistently without fail. Have a very, very focused, purpose-driven, fulfilled day. Bye.